A very good evening to one and all. I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for being here today to celebrate a special day. Before I proceed, I would like to thank the Almighty for showering His endless blessings upon us and making this beautiful day possible. Without His grace, nothing would have fallen into place so perfectly. I want to thank all our priests who celebrated the Holy Mass and blessed our union today. Reverend Father Stephen Pereira, Director of Infant Jesus Shrine, Bikarnakatte, Reverend Father Michael Santamayer, ex-principal of Milagres Degree College, my lecturer, and present administrator of Father Muller's Medical College, Reverend Father John was chaplain at Father Muller's Kankanadi, Reverend Father Ashwin, assistant administrator, Father Muller Homeopathy College, Deralakatte, Reverend Father Jayaprakash D'Souza, parish priest of Ranipuram. We are deeply grateful for the blessings you have bestowed upon our marriage. Thank you once again. To our late grandparents, though you're not here in person, we feel your warmth in every prayer. We miss your hugs, but we know you are celebrating with us in your own special way from up above. To my parents, Daddy and Mommy, thank you for your endless support, guidance, and unconditional love, for always being there for me in every walk of my life. I might not voice it, but I'm always grateful to you both for taking good care of me and my siblings through the canteen. From the days you lovingly called me Dil Dila Bal Bala to this day, I'm still your Bala. These names hold a special place in my heart. Each one carries memories of your love, the laughter of my childhood, your gentle scoldings, and the comfort of knowing I was always safe in your care. To my bhai, Jiju Kishan, and my sunny boy, my little friend Oshon, I love you. Jiju, thank you for being my support. And bye. Thanks for being there when I need you the most. Jitu, I really miss you today. And thanks for everything that you have done for me when I was in Dubai. To my brother Colin, you accidentally became the official reason behind this wedding. This all began with you. And to my Uni Nishma and my little nephew Nashvin and nieces Liva and Lyra, I'm missing you all today. I know you guys are watching me live. From my paternal side, Bolla family, we are a beautiful big family and I'm proud to be a part of you all. Bye auntie, my dad's eldest sister. Thank you so much for coming all the way from Sydney, Australia. Thanks for your prayers, love and care. We are blessed to have your presence here today. Titus uncle and family, Helen auntie and family, Mentha uncle and family, Rusi auntie and family, Blazy auntie and family, Tina auntie and family. To all of you, thank you so much for all your love and support on numerous occasions. Michael uncle and family. Michael uncle, thank you so much for all that you have done for us. You have been the biggest support for our family, along with Auntie Jessie and all your brothers and sisters too. And you were and are always there when we need you the most. be it my parents or any of our siblings. We all came to you for advice, guidance, or support, and you never turned your back on us. We might not tell this often, but today I want to tell you we are ever grateful for everything. Thank you so much, Uncle. My cousins, Vinu and family, Melrick, and my cousins who have traveled from far and wide. Audie from Dubai, Cheryl Neville Jones, and Glenna from Bangalore. We appreciate your presence and we are so happy to see you all. Thank you so much. A huge thanks to my eldest cousin in our family, my dearest Munna Bhaiya. She is here all the way from Germany. Thank you for crossing oceans to be with us on this special day, Bhaiya. Your presence means the world to us. You were there for me through every detail and every worry, even when I was not well, even though after my surgery, you never failed to check on me. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. To my dear cousins who couldn't make it today, Roshan Dattu and family, Raina Bhai and family, Nikki and family, Clinton and family, Tanu and Cookie, and Rochelle. I'm missing you all today, but your love and blessings are truly felt. A special thank you to my sister-in-law, my darling Babzu Erlin, for helping me with every outfit selection. Your taste, support, and patience were priceless. I couldn't have done it without you, and I miss you today. From my maternal side, my dearest Ashu Granny, your prayers and love have been a guiding light in my life. Thank you for being with us on this special day. Margaret Auntie and family, Robert Uncle and family, Nine Auntie and family, Dine Auntie and family, Line Auntie. I sincerely thank you all for the endless love and warmth you all made every function so special. To all my cousins, Relson, Rylin, Sherlyn, Grishel, thank you so much. Special thanks to my cousin Relson who accompanied mom and dad to invite for my wedding and helped with other preparations too. And to a Dubai family who frequently asked Shashi, Madimeye Pamare, who looked at those flight prices, shed tears, and still said, Yalla, that's true friendship witnessing our wedding. To our Mostak Wakatna friends, we really miss you today. We will celebrate together soon. Today is not just about celebrating love, it's about celebrating people who have helped us get here, especially our families, our friends, Raja Dattu, Ritesh Dattu and Gaudi Dattu, and everyone who has supported us along the way in this journey. Heartfelt thanks to John Lancesor, Managing Director of Leighton Shipping LLC Dubai and True Supply, for all your blessings on both of us and for your constant support. We truly missed you today. Grateful to my friend Zaima for the lovely gift sent all the way from Abu Dhabi yesterday on my rose. To our friends Melroy, Neston, thank you for helping us with all the rose and wedding preparations. From the day we arrived here, you both were with us every step of the way. Even when you were busy, you never said so. Instead, you made time for us. Thank you for your time and true friendship. You guys are truly awesome. And to our best friend, Nikhil Ferravo, live Upolonasa. We missed you a lot today. Thank you to my amazing bridesmaids, Jevita, Roshni, Shirley, Josna, Glenna, Melina, Grishel, and Rimal, for being with me on my rose day and for the beautiful dance. It meant so much to me. Even though my Boji couldn't attend my wedding, his brother Kiran helped me with the preparations, and also my friend Gavin Lobo. Sincere thanks to you both, Kiran Dattu and Gavin. To the amazing team behind the scenes who worked hard to make today perfect. Thank you for bringing our dream celebration to life. Queen's Mary decorators Ranipura, Sachit D'Souza, DJ Abhi, Rodriguez Caterings, Toyston, and my friend Relief Films by Cletus, photography and videography. Thank you so much for tolerating me. Thanks to my teachers from school and lecturers who are here celebrating with me today. To my maid of honor and bridesmaid, thank you. To the best men, thank you for standing by Shashi. We couldn't have asked for a better best man to share this special day with us. To my new family, thank you for welcoming me with such warmth and love. And to my mother-in-law, thank you for raising such a wonderful son. And finally, to my partner, officially husband. Thanks for choosing me, loving me. You're stuck with me forever. Shashi is someone who notices the things, protects my peace, and loves me in ways words can't always explain. You are my celebration, my happy place. I promise to stand by you, laugh with you, and grow with you through every season of my life. Forever grateful to call you my husband. And I cannot walk away from here before thanking our MCs. Dilroy, thank you for being such a wonderful MC for our roast. Your energy made our roast a huge success, and you made the evening so enjoyable and memorable. We were so lucky to have you, and your energy made it a night we will never forget. Nelson Moniz, thank you so much for being an incredible MC at our wedding. You're absolutely brilliant. We truly couldn't have done it without you. You are perfect. You are the perfect host, and we can see how you are ensuring to make this entire celebration so much more special. Thank you, Nelson Moniz.
Shashi Dattutan Todi Utra, English Viggi and English Laggi.
He is honestly language वंशावळ तशें जावना की तुमकां आयकता ना हांव राखून आसा केदारा मुग्ध जाता म्हणून म्हजें इल्लें आसा जस्ट ओके हांव चड वेळ करना नेल्सन बोब मारता विकी मुग्ध येयले म्हणून ताजें मुस्त आसता न्ही